Hi friends. Welcome back to Duck Learns English. Have you ever wondered why dogs love humans so much? Why do they wait by the door when we leave? Why do they get so excited when we come home? Today, we will discover the amazing story of dogs and humans. This story started thousands of years ago. Long, long ago, humans lived in caves. They hunted animals for food. Life was very hard and dangerous. At the same time, wild wolves lived in the forests. They were strong and smart hunters. But they were also afraid of humans. One day, something amazing happened. Some wolves came closer to human camps. They were looking for food scraps. The humans were scared at first. But then they noticed something special. These wolves were different from other wild animals. The wolves did not attack the humans. Instead, they helped protect the camps from other dangerous animals. This was the beginning of the most beautiful friendship in history. Humans and wolves started to trust each other. Over many years, these wolves changed. They became smaller and friendlier. We call them dogs today. But why did this happen? Scientists have found amazing answers to this question. Dogs have special genes that make them love humans. These genes are different from wolf genes. When a dog looks at you, their brain releases a hormone called oxytocin. This is the same hormone that mothers feel when they hold their babies. This means dogs really feel love when they see us. It is not just training or food. It is real emotion. Dogs can also read human faces better than any other animal. They know when we are happy, sad, or angry. Have you ever noticed how your dog knows when you are upset? They come to comfort you without being asked. This is because dogs have learned to understand human emotions over thousands of years. They are experts at reading us. Dogs also have amazing abilities that help humans. They can smell things we cannot smell. They can hear sounds we cannot hear. Police dogs help catch criminals. Guide dogs help blind people walk safely. Therapy dogs help sick people feel better. But the most important thing dogs do is love us unconditionally. They do not care if we are rich or poor, young or old. A dog will love you even if you have a bad day. They will love you even if you make mistakes. This is why we call dogs man's best friend. No other animal shows this kind of loyalty and love. Let me share something personal with you. I believe dogs teach us how to love without conditions. Dogs show us that true friendship means being there for someone no matter what happens. They teach us important lessons too. They teach us to be loyal, to forgive quickly, and to live in the moment. They show us how to be happy with simple things. A walk in the park, a game of fetch, or just being together. Dogs do not worry about tomorrow or yesterday. They enjoy today. This is a beautiful lesson for all of us. Scientists say that having a dog makes humans healthier and happier. Dog owners live longer lives. Playing with dogs reduces stress and makes our hearts stronger. Dogs are like natural medicine. Children who grow up with dogs learn to be more caring and responsible. Dogs are great teachers. But dogs need our love and care too. They depend on us for food, shelter, and medical care. Taking care of a dog is a big responsibility. But it is also one of life's greatest joys. Dogs have been with humans for over 15,000 years. They have helped us hunt, farm, and build civilizations. Today, there are over 340 different dog breeds in the world. Each breed has special skills and personalities. From tiny Chihuahuas to huge Great Danes, all dogs share the same love for humans. Some dogs are working dogs. Others are family pets. But all dogs want the same thing, to be loved by their humans. The bond between dogs and humans is so strong that dogs can even learn human languages. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and simple math. They are much smarter than we used to think. Dogs also dream about their human families. Scientists have studied dog brains during sleep. When dogs dream, they often dream about playing with their favorite humans. Is not that amazing? Dogs have also saved many human lives throughout history. There are countless stories of heroic dogs. Some dogs have rescued people from fires, earthquakes, and accidents. They risk their own lives to save ours. During wars, dogs have carried messages and helped wounded soldiers. They are true heroes. Today, dogs continue to help humans in many ways. They work as search and rescue dogs after disasters. They help people with disabilities live independent lives. They bring joy to hospitals and nursing homes. But perhaps the most important job dogs have is being our friends and family members. A dog's love is pure and honest. They do not judge us or criticize us. They accept us exactly as we are. This unconditional love is rare in the world. It is a gift that dogs give us every day. When we come home after a long day, our dogs are always happy to see us. They celebrate our return like we are heroes. Dogs remind us that the simple act of coming home is something to celebrate. They find joy in ordinary moments. They teach us to appreciate the people we love and to show our feelings openly. Dogs are also great stress relievers. Just petting a dog can lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety. Many offices now allow dogs at work because they make employees happier and more productive. Dogs bring people together too. Dog owners often meet and become friends at dog parks. Walking a dog is a great way to exercise and meet neighbors. Dogs are natural conversation starters. They help shy people become more social and confident. Dogs are amazing social helpers. The relationship between dogs and humans is truly special. It is based on mutual love, trust, and respect. Dogs give us their whole hearts, and we give them a home and family. It is a perfect partnership. This bond has made both species stronger and happier. We have evolved together for thousands of years. Dogs have changed from wild wolves into loving family members. Humans have learned to be better caregivers. This story shows us the power of friendship and cooperation. When different species work together, amazing things happen. Dogs teach us that love has no boundaries. It does not matter if we look different or speak different languages. Love is a universal language that all living beings can understand. Dogs are masters of this language. They show love through their actions, wagging tails, happy faces, and gentle touches. We can learn from dogs how to express love more openly and honestly. In our busy modern world, dogs remind us to slow down and enjoy simple pleasures. They teach us to be present in the moment and to appreciate the people around us. Dogs do not care about money, fame, or success. They care about love, friendship, and being together. This is a valuable lesson for all of us. The most important things in life are not material possessions. They are relationships, experiences, and moments of joy shared with those we love. Dogs have been teaching humans these lessons for thousands of years. They are wise teachers in disguise. The next time you see a dog, remember this amazing story. Remember the long journey from wolves to best friends. Think about the love, loyalty, and joy that dogs bring to our world every day. Dogs truly are humanity's best friends. They deserve our love, respect, and protection. We are lucky to share our planet with these amazing creatures. They make our lives richer and more meaningful. What do you think about this amazing story? Have you ever had a special bond with a dog? Share your dog stories in the comments below. I love reading about your experiences. Learning English through stories like this helps us understand emotions and relationships better. When we read about love, friendship, and loyalty, we learn important words and feelings. Stories about animals are perfect for English learners because they use simple words but deep meanings. Thank you for joining me today on Duck Learns English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. See you in the next video.